Well, I just had a bad night.
In a recent interview, embattled U.S. President Joe Biden responded to claims questioning his fitness to run for president, stating that only divine intervention could compel him to step aside. The 81-year-old president spoke for 22 minutes with ABC's George Stephanopoulos in his first interview since his challenging debate against Donald Trump last week. Biden acknowledged he had a bad episode during the debate, where he stumbled through sentences and froze on stage, prompting widespread calls for his resignation. When asked if he had watched the debate again, Biden replied, "I don't think I did. No." Regarding whether he would step down if he felt incapable of defeating Trump, Biden said, "It depends on if the Lord Almighty comes down and tells me that. I might do that. If the Lord Almighty said, 'Joe, get out of the race,' I'd get out of the race, but the Lord Almighty is not coming down."